Hi everyone, this is Dollar Day Trader with my trading recap for Monday, April 20th, 2020. Happy 420 day. Took only one trade today, and that was on Gilead, GILD. And it was a pretty straightforward trade, even though I was a little hesitant in the beginning. After I kind of thought it through some more and saw that the price action was pretty straightforward. I took a few long positions. So initially, just looking at the pre-market real quickly, I see it was kind of popping up here around 9 o'clock. Looks like around 82.66 and came back down and kind of found a little support area around 81.78. Bounced off there, then kind of was just in this little channel here, just kind of messing around. Then right before around 9:28, a lot of volume popped up, as you can see here, and just started going like this. It's a strong move. So it was right coming up to 83. You're not really sure how this sometimes can behave. Sometimes we can see it pop up and then sell off at the open, so you have to be careful. So here, I got a little excited, and I don't know why I always do this. I seem to always put myself in a hole first. So I went long around 83.41, thinking it'd just take off because of that pre-market move. So I had a little bad judgment there, and I stopped out. See 83.41, 42, and stopped out around 83.15. So not great. It was a small share size, but still, it was unnecessary. And then I believe, I can't remember if I tried to go long again, and I stopped out when it dipped below my level here. Then I saw it was respecting VWAP, and I totally messed this up. I really should have showed some patience, because this would have been the perfect setup, is to go long around here with the stop loss around 83.09. That would have been a pretty good 15-20 cent risk with a lot of upside, if looking at this level up top here. So that was really the best trade. So I didn't really trade this great, and it really stemmed off of my jumping the gun, which I need to do better at and wait at least 2 to 3 minutes before I get into a position, because there's always going to be opportunities throughout the day to trade, even if it's just the one stock. So I took a long position around 83, let's say 53, 54. It reached my level, and I took off most of the shares just to bank in some profit, at least commission, and try to get out of my small hole here. But I still felt pretty strong with the volume coming in. So I actually added to my position, so it makes me think whether or not I should even have partial to begin with. And then I covered some more here, held some more, and then, like I said, so I got initially at 83, say 53, 54, sold some here, 83.76, added around 83.92, plus there's a whole number, which usually shows some action around that area, and sold from 84.05 all the way up to about 84.65. So yeah, that was it. I was pretty comfortable with my small gains there in my live account, and I tried some option stuff, and I should have taken that more seriously, and lost some money in sim there. So I'm still not comfortable to try that out live yet, but overall, like I said, in hindsight though, I should have waited, and once this kind of popped back up and respected VWAP, so it was respecting VWAP, this would have been the best entry right here. Really could have added some good share size, minimal risk, 10-15 cents, 83.23, and look at that. That could have been $1.30 some cent move, especially if you held on very long, a little longer than I normally do. That would have been the trade, but hindsight's 2020. Just got to do the best what we can, what we know at the moment, and how we feel. So overall, I felt pretty good though. I liked that it was probably too long to stop out here, but then I stopped out there. I wasn't comfortable, and that's fine, because you have to feel comfortable in your position. And if it goes against you, then so be it. But you always got to keep your rules and that instinct, because that will save you in the long run, as I've noticed. And also looking really quickly on the 5-minute, which I probably should have paid a little more attention to. This would have been like a nice 5-minute open range breakout. Looking on VWAP as well, respecting as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So around this area. So, and probably accidentally, without even looking at it, took it just based on the price action here. So that actually was it was okay trade. I'm not upset at the trading at all. It just wasn't perfect, but hardly is the case. So hope everyone else had a good 420 day. Still have a lot of trading to go rest of the week. Be safe, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.